What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And if you remember clearly from my other video, I did say I was gonna make this video where I'm going to change the fluids from the Chevy Avalanche after running it for 500 miles. So I initially did the first break-in in this truck, which is now completed its 500 mile journey. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drain the oil, drain the coolant, flush everything out the block, and refill it up, and it should be good to go. So let's get started with that.
The adjustment will be on top and side. The blasted e-brake cable.
Explain to me this intimate faster. So check this out, right? You know about it a little bit. But how well do you know about it? You know about it inside and outside or what?
Yeah, so basically you fast when you sleep in, you fast when you wake up.
That would cause gas in the car.
Remember, our human body is designed to be that way because we ancestors had to hunt for food, you remember?
Yeah, I know, but that was, look at how many years that was ago. Nowadays, remember, we evolved from back then.
Basically, this is the gist of intermittent fasting because you're going on with your day, right? And while you're going on with your day, you're not taking in calories. So your body basically burning whatever fuel reserve it have, which is fat, right? Then your body goes into something called ketosis because it's burning the fat for energy.
Right.
Now,
They don't go in starvation mode first?
no, that'll take a few days.
Starvation mode will take a few days?
Yeah, because if you're not getting food, but then if you're pushing meals all the way back, by doing that, it only causing you to eat a little bit of food, because when you're ready to eat food, by the time you're ready to gorge yourself to get your calories in, you go be full with a regular meal and then say, you know what, I'm full. So now your calories less, and that's how people lose their weight and thing.
Oh.
Me, I just eat and eat small portion whenever I'm hungry. If my body hungry, it know what to do and I'm going to eat. And I'll eat something small.
So what about like eating on time and them kind of stuff?
I used to do that shit. I don't do them things anymore. I listen to my body now. My body knows. As long as you eat good food. I'm not talking about cake. I mean good, nutritious food.
I thought that was your idea.
Right?
Right, that tastes good though. Come on, you gotta give it credit. The Peugeot part, we didn't really account for that. Well, not me. Definitely did not account for that. What are you gonna do? It happens, man.
Let's see how good this flow out.
That oil looking still brown. You seen it? The color
Clean,
of the oil.
right?
Yeah.
No, I know it clean. This is the first 500 miles.
Let me see how the drink are looking.
Alright guys, so you see this? Let me see if I can get you to focus. So this is metal that was caught in my drain plug. So this is the importance of, you know, draining your oil after the break-in period. So 500 miles was a break-in period for me. It should have been a little bit longer, but since I'm leaving to Florida, this is what I can do in this short amount of time. It's not gonna hurt my engine in any way, but this is all the metal that it actually caught. See that? That's all the metal it actually caught, which is not that bad. So let's see what the coolant catches after I finish draining this. Like it had little metal coming out here and there.
But that oil I watching on from here, that one's still black, light brown color.
Well, from my side, it's dark.
it's shining through the light here.
Yeah.
You have to do touch the oil, right? And feel the density of the oil.
If it had grit.
How you feel it?
Gritty. You could feel the grittiness in the oil a little bit. But that's fine. This is what's meant to happen. Making sure you're not in the clip. I was saying next thing you spoil up my whole clip. You know what I like about this too is how nah, you're not in it. How the light hitting, the light, natural light outside, just give you a better quality. The drain out this AC Delco filter too, boy.
You could refine your, like put it in a vehicle, you could shut it down, like from 3 or 4 and thing now, find out which part it is, them kind of thing. See how much fuel it has, see how much mileage. Something like that. For fun. You have 2 maxis now. And you have drivers driving it.
Who's that?
My partner. My boy Nick now, So you tell me you wanted to get something.
This oil still so new, boy. It kill him with a troll synthetic like this, so you know?
Yeah, well, remember you can't put it back in.
This is a brand new filter and everything I throw in is wasteful.
Yeah.
All out, all out. All man out. We have a sand back there. I get paint on the pan, it's mixing up my ceiling.
Right there. The oil filter thing.
Yeah.
So you buy the paint, the oil filter and then paint it. Normally oil filter will get paint on it, but now you had it, you know you had it to change it so it would not be
I forget about it, you know, when you're doing things on that times and you forget.
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do now is let this drain completely, just drain till it's nothing. Then I'm gonna take 1 quart of oil, pour it in the engine, brand new oil, pour it in the engine, and let it fall out so it can pick up whatever particles may be floating around in there that I don't know that this oil didn't get. So we'll get a clean flush out and then we'll just put in back the brand new oil. See you in a few. Alright guys, so what we did was we covered up the drain bowl, put in back the old oil filter. We're not gonna start it. No way, you're gonna damage the engine. So what we're gonna do is remove this cap, put in a quart of new oil. I'm not gonna waste my synthetic, so I'm just gonna put in a quart of regular to go down the engine, and then we're gonna drain it. Show your ass in the video now.
No.
Hey, watch this boy here. He afraid now. Afraid. Woo!
Move your ass.
Look at that. Alright. God, like you don't want to come all the way.
Yeah, you know, then you was out there.
Shit, somebody. Wait, that is a whole quart?
Me, you know? No, they now they half a quart.
Alright, throw it down half a quart. Oh wait, hold on. No.
Over the
Don't throw it like that, boy.
Why, boy?
Because you might miss. Wait, your body in front of the camera. You're pissing me off today. Alright, go ahead. Throw now. Skills.
No vibration on my hand, you know what that means?
Skill. Mustn't do things like that,
Come now,
there's nothing to do, boy.
Wait, the one more class you're trying to do, man.
Come on, cap this back here.
Cap it back? Huh? You and your white boy X and cap it back? Okay. We got cap back the bumbo cloth thing. You see?
Nobody wanna hear fake
It's Jamaica.
Jamaican accent here.
Dude,
They wanna
you know
hear
they
wanna hear pure Trini.
pure Trini?
Speak pure Trini. They actually like the accent on here.
Like pure Trini?
Yeah.
Yo, what up? I'm not really camera friendly, but what you gonna do? That's how things is. Woo! Move your foot up.
Alright.
This look really bad if I just hold it right here and I let sketch up. Alright, Ryan, tell me how high you want me to go, man. Tell me how high. Right?
You know, once this truck's flip over, right?
Yeah?
Boom. You can leave this one open, that's not matter. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is we already poured the 1 quart of oil in it. My cousin did that. We're going to let it drain and just drain out till there's nothing more, till it's bone dry. And we're gonna put in some fresh synthetic. Guys, after I do this episode, I have one request. Do not forsake me when I go to Florida. Watch all my videos. Even if you don't have an interest, just watch them, alright? I will get another avalanche, I promise, but just don't forsake me. Keep watching videos. And if you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification on top to stay up to date with all my latest videos. Is it seeing me do this? Yeah. Woo! Look how clean that come out, boy. Woo!
What do you want to filter?
Wonder if we should have put a little more than that half. Nah, that should be good.
Not good. What do you want to filter?
Oh, for they ain't get nothing through it because it ain't cycle. Do you guys have Chevys in Trinidad?
No, not really. Probably one in every 1,000.
That's coming out super clean. Alright guys, so we finally got all the oil drained. We put in the other quart to really flush out the engine. Now what we're going to do is fill it up finally with some synthetic oil, and then we're going to push the truck out, or actually drive it out, drain the radiator fluid and flush it out with the garden hose and put in fresh new fluid. So watch us do that. Yo, what are you doing? Get over here. You have to pour in the fluid, son.
I'm not on camera, man.
Help is hard to find.
I'm not in the camera.
Yeah, pull that dipstick there, pull that on. Captain now. You're pissing me off today, boy. Don't piss me off today.
You want me to piss on you?
Don't piss me off.
Come bring the funnel.
Don't direct me.
I said bring the funnel, man.
Don't direct me.
You better edit that out, okay?
I said it is not no. So my fault is a batty boy.
Take your time there, Batty boy. You're a bomb box fat man. There we go.
Throw all 5. You voting.
Clean. Watch that. Clean, man. You can hear the oil dropping into the going through the engine. Faucet clean. This engine has been drained, filled, and drained again.
Alrighty, let's pull this out and drain our coolant.
Oil like him off?
Yeah.
Bring more oil.
How much more?
Bring about a quart. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. How much is it in this bottle?
1 quart. I mean 2.
Yeah, well, you'll just jack it up and drain it back again. That's all.
Shit, boy, you can't aim, you can't read, you can't do nothing.
Nothing, but you're still doing everything.
This is my last days here, man. My final day.
Stop talking that crap. Final days, man. Look, go, do you, be you, all that you can be and more. Right? And when nothing, nobody hold you back from being what you have to be, what you want to be. Chasing after your goals. And all is said and done, you don't want to have regrets. When judgment day come and the boss man upstairs, come fair, tell you it's time to go home, they won't have no regrets.
But I see a piece of fuzz on the dipstick.
Okay, it's like it's a little over the phone back.
What? For real?
Yeah.
Don't play games with me right now, boy.
I'm not even playing, dude. I'm not even playing.
You wanna bust out all my seals in the engine?
This is what's gonna happen. Let's check it out again.
You'll probably burn out as well when you guys come.
You really lazy, buddy.
I give you one job to do it right and you gonna that way over the full mark, boy, that all the way up here.
That's all. Can't check all that. Watch with the mark there, watch.
What the I knew this only take 5 quarts. How you I make you tell me to take another?
Cause the oil was underneath this mark here. The oil was underneath here, was on this mark here. Right?
That is good enough. What you mean another quart? Oh my god. Yo. Alright, let me just put it up in the air. Good thing I ain't
Pull up, relax yourself.
That overfull. I know it overfull. I know this truck will take 5 quarts.
So then why you told me?
Because I listening to you like, oh shit, alright, wow, that way is low. Okay, let me see.
No, do this on point. Watch, this was showing you. Watch. You seen it?
Boy.
This is just oil that coming out from the dipstick. You see it have a dry spot in the middle? Watch your back and all too.
Oh,
Shut him out for me.
that is a real thought.
Shut him out before I slap the shit already.
Do it.
Come here, boy. Come here. Bend over.
Whoa. See that? YouTube. Yo, that going on YouTube. That going on YouTube, you know. Yeah. That's getting uploaded.
That's not getting uploaded. No, dude, you can do that.
And your mother will see that.
Nah, she won't shoot you.
Well, I'll make sure she does. I'll send it to her cell phone.
Come on, watch it again. Watch when you light it. You seen it there?
Flip it in the back. Yeah, right there, so.
Right, so that's good. Remember we drained this, you just drain oil for hours, you know though. Use the longest oil change I ever do, you know. But it's the correct thing to do.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, because you wanna
My
get
vehicle,
all
I'll
the-
do it like that. Oh, let's shut this off.